everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, check this out. I have cleaned up a lot of the clutter behind me, give it a little bit more fresher look here on the wall in the studio. Now, the reason I'm making this video is not just to tell you that, hey, I cleaned up my room, guys, but it's to tell you that these here photos of drones, artwork of drones, are available at IKEA for a limited time only. So below this video, I am going to put links to where they're located in Canada, because I don't know if they're in your country at your IKEA, but I assume they are. So when you click on the link to go to Canada, then just copy the information and go to your IKEA in your country and see if they are there. Let me tell you a little bit about these pictures. So the frames are made out of aluminum or aluminium, and they have a glass front, and of course the drones are plastic, and they look pretty darn sweet when you get up close and check them out. It's pretty nice artwork that you could put any place in your house. Now, a lot of you are probably going to say, what did I do with all the drones back there? Well, I just moved some of them up higher. So there's drones. I've got drones on every wall that I'm looking at. But anyways, for now, yeah, go check out the IKEA links and see if those pictures are for you. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. Get to the next one. Bye.